Come test drive the 2022 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: engine immobilizer, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.